All right, so now that you have your name and your tagline set up, we're gonna get you to set up your logo and your banner. But before we do that, we have a few other steps that we're gonna take along the way. So for your course materials, we have this part here called sections. Now, the section of your e-course can also be called a module. In the Great E-Course Adventure, we call them checkpoints because it's a journey up the mountain and each module is a checkpoint along the way. And so I'm just gonna add my own custom name and I'm gonna put checkpoint. And then you have to do it so that when it shows up inside of your MAJIK network in a bunch of different ways, like plural here, so it'd be checkpoints. You just want to make sure that the English is proper on all of these. So down here for lesson, we'll keep it as a lesson. We call them steps in the Great E-Course Adventure. So we have 14 checkpoints, and within each checkpoint, there's 4 to 10 steps to complete that checkpoint. But for today's simplicity, we'll just keep it as a lesson. And you can call it whatever you want. In our Art of Binge-Worthy Courses free course inside of our MAJIK network, we teach you about something called themification, and that's where this whole mountain adventure comes from. And that particular course has the theme where we take you aboard the E-Course Frontier Starship to the new world of online education and teach you how to create binge-worthy courses. So now we're in the instructors section here. So you can call yourself an instructor, a professor, a teacher. You can add a custom name. There's all sorts of different things that you can do here. We'll just go with instructor to keep things simple and easy. And then moving to the next one. If you have somebody who's an instructor for your course, you could send them an email here and you can customize this message right there. So for this moment, we don't have anybody else other than me that's going to teach this course. So we'll finish there. So now that we've got that done, let's upload your logo and a trailer video or banner. So we're gonna go to General Settings and scroll down here, and you can enter in your website. So for us, the Great E-Course Adventure. And if you ever wanna check it out, we have a free trial that you can do there. So now go to Course Branding, add your logo. And again, you want this just like with your main MAJIK network, 500 by 500 is the best. And then let's upload. For us with our courses, we always want to do a trailer video. Trailer videos are just so much more powerful than an image. And so we're gonna upload our trailer. If you don't have a trailer, don't worry about it. Upload a banner and you can always create a trailer later on. Once you get that done, save it, and we've already got our color scheme in here for the course, so we are good to go. Save that, and head to the next video.